So in Python, a module is just any code that is Python accessible, stored in a file outside the main script. Now, some of our Python modules are installed at the program level or the Python level, which means any program written in Python can access those modules in your virtual machine. And Turtle is one of those. Random is a standard module, so it comes already installed when you install Python. Some of the others that we're going to be working with have to be installed, but you'll install them and you won't ever see the files that are associated with them because they're installed in a common Python directory. In our case, when we're creating modules for our own use, we'll actually just store those as Python files that are outside of our main script. And so that's kind of where we're headed with those. And so when you import a module, when you use that import statement, what Python does is it looks inside your current directory, inside the same folder where you have the script, and it says, is there a module with that name in here? And if it doesn't find one in that folder, then it looks in the main Python folder and it says, okay, is there a module here by that name? And then if it doesn't find it in either of those places, then you get an error. But it always looks in the immediate folder first. So modules allow us to make our code even more organized and easier to understand because we're taking those functions, and so far we've been taking the functionality out of our main program structure, and we've been pulling out those functions to the sort of top of our script. But they're still kind of hanging out there, are the definitions of those functions. Using modules, I can make my code even more organized by taking them completely out and putting them in a separate file where I don't even have to look at them. It makes your code more reusable because if I put functions inside an external file and I load it up as a module, then I can use that in 100 different programs. And if I need to update or change those, I just update them and change them in one place. And all of the 100 programs that refer to that module are instantly updated. So there's huge advantages, especially if you're doing repetitive work, which most likely, if you're coding in Python in a professional capacity, you will do a lot of repetitive work. That's just kind of the way it is. No matter what industry you work in, if you work in AI, you'll be doing the same kinds of stuff with AI over and over and over. If you work in data science, you're going to use those same libraries over and over. Regardless of what it is, even if you're creating games in Python, which isn't very common, but it's possible, you'll be using the same kind of libraries over and over and over. So it makes your code really reusable and maintainable. Again, if I have 100 different programs that refer to one module, all I have to do is update that one module, and that effect rolls out to all of those programs that use it. If I had that code embedded in each of those programs, I'd have to go out and touch each one of those 100 programs that uses that module instead. So it makes your code maintaining it really easy and really fast as well.